Kickstart your day like a royal and unwind in your regal retreat at Riverside House Birmingham. Nestled in the vibrant neighborhood of Cadnam Cl, Riverside House offers luxurious studio apartments that make you feel like royalty. Each fully furnished studio features a cozy bed with under storage, a dedicated study area, a spacious wardrobe, and a private shower room. Additionally, you'll also have access to the fully fitted kitchenette featuring essential amenities like convection oven, cooking hobs, and more. Moreover, enjoy the convenience of utility bills included in the rent and an in-house laundry service, saving you time and money. Forget the hassle of driving because Riverside House is just a short stroll from Newman University and the University of Birmingham. On weekends, dive into the local culinary delights with fantastic dining options like Bonissimo Restaurant Birmingham and the Cl Harborne just minutes away. Plus, with Cadnam Cl bus stop and University train station nearby, getting around Birmingham is a breeze. Channel your inner king or queen and make Riverside House Birmingham your castle. Don't miss out. Secure your spot at amberstudent.com today.